One cool thing that they've added to the new updated version is the ability to overlay a video on top of another video or photo. To overlay a video on top of another video, choose a video that you want to add. When the video clip has been highlighted, you'll notice that there's the button to bring it down into your project, the play button, and then the three dots. Go ahead and push those three dots and you'll see some other options pop up. The first option we're not going to talk about quite yet. That has to deal with audio. But then there are three other options. You can click on any of those three and you'll still be able to work with it. But for now, we're just going to click on that middle one. When you click on that middle icon, you're going to see that that video clip will automatically come down and import above the video that your vertical white line is over. If you click on that video clip, you'll see down at the bottom that there are some other options that you can kind of play around with. The first icon on the far left will allow you to overlay your video on top of the other video clip. You will not be able to see the clip underneath of it anymore. The one next to that is the picture-in-picture mode, where you can put a video over top of a video or a picture, and it will create a little box within your movie. If your overlay video is still highlighted, you'll see two little buttons appear in the preview video. One is a magnifying glass, which allows you to magnify the picture inside the box. If you double click on that, it will reset it to the normal picture setting. The other icon has the four arrows pointing in different directions. If you click on that, you're going to be able to drag that picture around your other video frame and also make it bigger or smaller. If you're using the news theme, this is a great feature for that. The one thing I've noticed is that you're not allowed to overlay a picture on top of a video though, but you can overlay any video on top of a picture or a video. The last four icons on the right side all do pretty much the same thing. They just rearrange the clip so that one's on top and one's on bottom. Once again, if you push the magnifying glass at the bottom in the preview window, you can adjust the size of each of those clips. You can also adjust the length of the overlay video clip just like you normally do with a regular video.